after 5 years of working in the Middle East, almost paralyzed, she comes home and her family was broken as ever. Walang nagtapos, nagputa yung anak, papunta na naman nag-recruit na naman kung saan mapunta and it's being repeated almost every day, and maybe thousands. But when he was in TV announcing that the surrender of why were those addicts went skinny and looking dead like a shampoo overnight? They were the drug addicts of the previous administration.